Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome once again to today's tutorial, and I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor Odurole Mojibola, and today I am going to be showing us how we can use our foot, yes, your bare foot, instead of a shoemaking last to actually last your footwear. Now I have taught us how I created this particular upper, but I need you to see how you can use your foot to position where to place it, whether it's your size or it's not your size. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I need you to know that what we do on Tuesdays and Saturdays is to ignite our passion for shoemaking, and on Thursday we basically discuss how to grow our business and how to take it to another level. So I need you to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. I need us to go into this right away. Sit back and I'm gonna be right back. So like I said, this is actually going to be a very quick one. I'm going to be showing us how I actually last this beautiful open toe women heel, sandal. Now, of course, I've taught us several times how we can make use of our fingers to actually last. All you need to do is just position your finger on it this way. You're going to be using this side as well as this side of your finger for this kind of style. As you can see that it's wide, so it will cover up the foot very well. It's not as if it's tiny, so you don't need to come down this way. If it was actually a straight strap, probably something like this, we might have to come down this way so that I can cover the smallest toe or our smallest toe. So because it's quite wide, so I'm just going to use this side and this side, and it's going to be passing by the side. I'm not opening inside here. So now I want you to know that you can also use your foot to last this. Now if you want to use your foot, for example, let me quickly show us what to do. Just place your foot on top of it this way, just to position it. Now I want you to know that if you look at this, it's not my size. So another thing I need you to understand is that sometimes some of those designs are not your size, so you want to use your leg. Like, look at what I have here. It's quite small. This is size 39. So I'm going to correct, the front is the main thing. How do I want it to be positioned on the person's foot? When somebody is wearing an open toe slippers, for example, at least there should be space here. You don't expect their leg to be like this on this particular kind of footwear. No, this is not good enough. So your assume is your own. How do you want it to look on your feet? That's the same way you're going to position your foot on this side. So for me, this is quite fine. If you allow it to look this way, this is too much. I'm sure you can see it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, place it this way. Let's say I'm just teaching you how you can use your foot. Can you see what I have now? So this side is perfectly okay. If you want to use this side, if you want to use your foot to position it, you can see the way I put it just right this way. This is quite looking quite fine. You can just remove your foot gently and then mark the side so that you know where to position it. And at the end of the day, you apply your contact cement adhesive on the sides. Apply it also under it so that by the time you finally want to last it, you will sit down comfortably and use your foot. Now I need you to know that I told you this is not my size, so it definitely means that when I want to last it, I will not be using my full foot to last it. I'm just going to withdraw my foot back a little bit so that at least when the person is wearing it, it will not be too, big for the person. Now let me show us something. Can you see? You can see what it looks like. Can you see what it looks like? So you can perfectly use your foot to actually last this. Now, if I'm going to put my whole foot inside this way, it means I'm lasting my size. So I have to withdraw my leg backward a little bit because it's not my size. Then I will now properly last it, withdrawing my leg backward like that. So now it will size the person that is wearing it. It's just a simple trick you can actually use to last, when you don't really have the shoe last. So if it was actually a size that is bigger than my own, I'm going to move my leg forward this way, then last it. I'm sure nobody will wear the footwear and it will look like this, but if it is a size that is bigger than my own size, let's say like size 42, the person will wear it conveniently because I have pushed my leg forward. You understand? Now let me push my leg backward for you to see. You will see that it will be loose. Can you see those loose parts? Now this one you have to correct, make sure you pull it well. Those loose parts are the parts that will make it size the person wearing 42. So these are just simple tricks that you can use to actually last your footwear using your leg. But then I'm going to be using my shoe last here just to follow the process. So I'm going to apply my contact cement adhesive. You can see I'm going to apply it here. Then I'm going to go ahead and last it. So you can now see what I have after lasting my beautiful open toe sandal. What I just want to show us today is how to actually last this properly. So I want to believe you have learned one or two things from this particular video tutorial. Thank you once again for joining me today, and I still remain your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. Thank you once again, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.